Hi everybody, we finished week 2 of the 2020 legislative session. A good week for counties. Our ERS Board of Control bill was passed out of House Committee. A number of our other bills were introduced this week. Our bill on the Board of Equalization, as well as safer places, and the revolving door legislation that would allow county employees to go to another public entity and then come back and appear before the commission. All of those are introduced now and ready for committee action. Had great news from the state Senate this week. Senate Bill 140, our notification legislation that would set up a statewide system to notify citizens in times of disaster, was passed unanimously by the Senate. On to the House now. Watch your inbox for information on that piece of legislation. Things have heated up on prison reform. We had a fairly unproductive meeting on Thursday with representatives of the Department of Corrections. Our legislation is about ready to go in that would correct a number of problems from the 2015 reform effort. Please watch your inbox for that information. You will need to engage on this issue. We expect prison reform to really heat up after the primaries have concluded the first Tuesday in March. And finally, we are concerned about the simplified seller's use tax and a bill that appears to be just over the horizon that will be introduced and advocated for by the large cities. Bottom line, the big cities think they need a bigger cut of the SSUT revenue, and you know what that means. They think they should get county revenue. We'll need to engage on that, as you know, and we'll talk about that later as we go forward. Again, thanks for all your work. Watch your inbox on Monday, and have a great weekend.